When we think of e-commerce, we generally think of physical products, things you'd buy on Amazon. But despite that, there's tons of digital products out there and a lot of really interesting ideas, such as books or ebooks that can scale significantly. Now, in today's video, I want to highlight one of those stores, one of those businesses that is absolutely crushing it on TikTok. They're doing $6.5 million a month with a book. And through that traffic, they're also capitalizing on digital products then on Shopify. And it's going to be super interesting. I'm looking forward to learning a lot about it. I haven't looked deeply into it yet because I try to do that in the video so that I can learn with you and just genuinely pique my curiosity as much as possible. So the store that I'm talking about is called the Lost Remedies Academy. Now, they're called the Lost Skills on TikTok, and they sell these books that just teach you how to live a more traditional life, or, for example, natural remedies that you can utilize in your life. So let's look at their top products. Their top product right now is called the Forgotten Home Apothecary, which is basically just a huge list of potions and things of that nature. And then their second bestseller is a no-grid survival project. So both kind of different, but they just show you how to live a life where you don't necessarily need technology or modern medicine in order to survive. Very interesting product, right? It's super interesting niche if you ask me. And, we can see that this product in particular has done over $3 million in the last 30 days. These are astronomical numbers for something so simple, right? And what's really interesting is that this is almost entirely through affiliates. So that's kind of the cool thing about TikTok Shop is most of the traffic, most of the sales you're getting are actually from affiliates, creators that are independent or not necessarily independent, but third-party creators that make content about your brand. And these guys are utilizing that in order to push their Shopify, their academy. So they have a store here actually that's a digital product. So basically what you can do here is you can browse this funnel. It's basically like an advertorial kind of funnel. It's pretty long actually. So we're going to skip to the bottom here and you get all this stuff. You get the Lost Remedies Academy, a bunch of different ebooks and things like that. And you can add it to cart. So, you buy it here, add to cart, and then you get this landing page here. So actually it's not a Shopify store, at least for this particular product. Now, if we take a look at this, let's actually make sure. Okay, so we look at this, and I want to look at it on TikTok. I want to see what it looks like on TikTok. So you get all these different recipes. It's so interesting. And it's just wild how much it has sold. Let's look at one of the top videos here and see what we can learn.
Bet you didn't. You know what garlic and lemon does to cholesterol? Let me show you. Right here, page 50. Right here, garlic and lemon. Talks about what it's used for, your ingredients that you need, your side notes, your instructions of how to make it, and your dosage. This book is an excellent resource. It's already sold out multiple times, but it's back in stock. I think every household should have a copy with 250 powerful recipes. This is the Forgotten Home Apothecary. You can leave a link down here so you can get one today.
Nice. So there it is. I mean, it's a pretty successful video. As you see, it's by Dr. Nicole Apelian. Now, what's interesting, I'm not sure what's going on here, right? It almost seems like these are two different businesses, but it's by the same person. So it is a trademarked product, it seems, or at least it has a copyright. But yeah, she's selling these digital courses through Meta, but on TikTok Shop, she's selling the actual physical book. This is super cool, actually. So I think that lends itself to more potential ebook companies doing a similar thing, right? Going on TikTok Shop to sell their physical product. I think it's such a brilliant idea. And then, of course, you can funnel all those people. A book is really great marketing because you can add whatever you want in there. And generally, people who read an entire book are going to be pretty invested in you and your business. But as you see, let's take a look at some of their ads. They're not actually using a lot of the TikTok ads, and that's why I'm almost like suspicious if this is even the same company. I almost feel like these guys are ripping off the actual creator of these types of books, but maybe not. Maybe I have no idea what I'm talking about. Let's see. I just can't find the actual book that they're selling on her site, so that's why I'm a little suspicious. Either way, maybe some of you can clear that up in the comments, right? I don't want to spend all this time just trying to, run an investigation here on the legality behind this, but I do think this is a brilliant idea. And they're posting a lot on Instagram. They're posting a lot of short form content, but as you see, this stuff is not converting nearly as well as what people are posting on TikTok. And this is something I often talk about. I think, I have an agency where we run meta ads for a lot of different companies and TikTok ads as well. We do really well with TikTok ads. And one of my favorite, honestly, brands, my favorite things to do when we work with brands is ensure that they have a good funnel where they're getting a lot of TikTok creators, because when you have that, it makes meta ads a lot easier because you're just getting so much content that you can utilize. And ultimately, that's kind of the name of the game. Now, I do want to go through their comments on Facebook. So this is actually a very interesting thing that Smart Reply developed here. So Smart Reply is an AI agent that sort of automates your engagement on your meta ads. The comment section of your meta ads is so powerful, and so many people don't even care about it, which is interesting. But we can see some of the negative comments that people are leaving for them, but then also the positive ones. And actually, this is where I think you can get some gold, right? So let me read you this, because if you are in this niche, I think this is a great niche. I think you could easily make an ebook around this with ChatGPT, get some nice Midjourney images, things of that nature. I mean, it wouldn't be easy. I shouldn't say it's easy. It's really hard, but it's a great idea, right? So anyways, right here, a positive comment. I feel like this could be an ad, so let me read it to you. It says, my mom got an infection from a cut in her finger. My grandma made her a poultice from egg whites, and it drew out the toxin. When I was a child, I stepped in the hot embers from a campfire, and my grandma made a poultice of egg whites for me, and I didn't even get blisters. I feel like that could be developed into an ad, and I think when you get people, your actual customers or the demographic that you are targeting, your customer avatar, they can tell you exactly what you need to do in terms of marketing, right? Like, you need to utilize these sorts of stories because clearly people resonate with that. Other people may have similar experiences with their grandmas and things like that. So that's something you gotta be targeting in this market. And this is something that I preach to my team at Ecommerce a lot, because we're a media buying company, and a lot of people say, hey, well, media buying's so easy these days, like you don't need to do anything. And while that's not entirely true, but somewhat true, it is simple. It's not necessarily easy, because in order to be a good media buyer, you need to know how to do some deep research on who your customer is so that you can appeal to them in the ad copy that you use. Ad copy is also pretty undervalued. It doesn't move the needle as much as your video or image, of course, but it does play a huge role in it. A lot of people do read ad copy still, either to identify what the brand is, what it does. Maybe they have some questions after watching the video or seeing the image, so they look at the ad copy. And you can resonate with the customer very well if you study them, right? Another one here. I used rosemary poultice for fungal cellulitis for a friend's leg. Rosemary is amazing for fungal infections as it is antifungal, antibacterial, and antioxidant. Needless to say, within 3 days, her leg started to heal. We don't know if these are real or not, right? But ultimately, this is what people are saying, and these are really, really great comments to go after. But even from the negative comments, by the way, this is a free tool. So you just go to smartreply.io, and then you go to the free tools tab, and you can get this. It's pretty cool. Basically, it's interesting to see also what people are not liking, right? So this person said, hi support, I just signed up and I have questions. There seems to be a page after page of additional top-up courses, ebooks for sale. I want only the Lost Remedies Academy. Now on the current page, I have only one option, either to buy extended access to other courses, which I do not want, the Master Pass, or click I don't want my money back. What does it mean? I just want access to the course I paid for. Can you please help? So this tells you that, their onboarding process for the courses is just way too complex, right? Like, these people are confused. They're like, hey, I don't want all this. I just want this. So this is an easy way that they can start improving and iterating their product, making it better. I've learned a lot this year on just, ultimately your focus should be results, right? Like getting results, getting sales, but then also thinking bigger, and how you can get more results is generally by just improving everything, right? Improving your marketing, improving the product, improving the experience. So these are things that you can focus on that are super powerful. And I think looking at what people are actually commenting on ads is one of the most powerful ways to do that. So, when I read a comment like this, it tells me, oh, if I was to make a brand in this space, which unfortunately I would love to, but right now I'm launching a lot of stuff all the time, and I still don't have enough time to go through all these ideas. There's so many ideas, but someone should totally do this. This tells me, oh man, I should just make a very simple process, right? Um, let's say, something similar to the Lost Remedies Academy, where it's just simple because people don't want to buy all this stuff, and make it very easy for people to buy. I mean, it sounds pretty simple, but that's what I would do. Um, what's crazy is that this is not a cheap book, right? This is a $31 book. Not a lot of books are this price. But because of all these creators, all this hype, people are trusting it so much and attributing so much value to it. And I love products like that where you're solving a big problem, but you're also building a ton of value. Um, Perceived value even, but even just tangible value. Information is extremely valuable. So I do think that more people will make books like this. I hope so, at least. And I think, it's kind of interesting that this is booming on TikTok Shop so much. I would not expect this to be one of the top TikTok Shop products. And that goes to show one of my favorite things about my company, at least. And it's kind of a framework that I try to tell myself is, trust the data, not the gurus. And I say that because there's so many gurus out there. There's so many people telling you this, telling you that. But guess what? It's all opinions, right? It's literally just their opinion and their bias. It's just better, in my opinion. This is my opinion, but I think it's the truth. To just look at the data, right? Look at what's actually trending, right? A lot of people would say, "Oh no, a book wouldn't do well. It's not viral. It's not, it's not just like a gadget or just some crazy low price thing on TikTok. It wouldn't work on TikTok Shop." But guess what? This is literally the top TikTok Shop right now. It's done $6.5 million in the last month. So I would guess these guys are doing over 10 million collectively, which is super impressive. And all these brands are extremely impressive. I love looking at this stuff, and I hope you do too. This app right here is called Calodata. We're good partners with them. They've been with us for a long time. We've actually run their ads in the past, so we do run ads for software companies too at echemilab.com. So feel free to reach out. I would love to connect with more people, run more offers, run more ads, and just network. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Their ads are pretty interesting. They have just a lot of different kinds of ads, but I would say they should run even more, right? They should be testing even more ads, especially with some of the stuff that they're getting on TikTok. That's what I certainly would do, at least. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.